So this is lecture 16 and we are going to start with two homework. In this I have given the question 1 plus e power y by x dx plus e power x by y 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. Now you have to say which option is correct. X plus y e power x by y is equal to constant, x minus y e power x by y is equal to constant, y plus x e power x by y is equal to constant, y minus x e power x by y is equal to constant. Okay, consider this as 2 marks mock gate question for this topic. Now another question, sin x cos y plus e power 2x dx cos x sin y plus tan y dy is equal to 0. Now in this, option A, B, C, D are half e power 2x minus cos x cos y plus log sec y is equal to constant, half e power 2x cos x cos y plus log sec x is equal to 0 is equal to constant, and here you have 2x, it is not half and option is same, and here again it is just e power 2x, it is not half and option is same. So you have to solve by yourself. Both are easy problem for all the students, whoever is watching all these lecture series from the beginning one. And if these steps are making you uncomfortable, it means you are really very weak in mathematics. You have to work on the fundamentals again. So now we'll see equation reducible to exact form, and also comment your answer whatever you are getting here for question 1 and question 2. So now we'll see equations reducible to exact form. Guys, if you are not getting a direct exact question, exact differential equation problem, then either it will be completely other format, different format, or you can reduce the given question into exact, and after reducing, then you can solve the exact differential equation the way you are solving. Okay, so how to reduce? Let's understand one example. Suppose you have 3x dy 2x, sorry, 3y dx 2y. I will read again. I am changing the color. See, 3y dx minus 2x dy is equal to 0. Right now if you check, m is 3y from here, and including minus sign, 2x is your n. Now you differentiated dou m by dou y, you got 3. Dou n by dou x you got as minus 2. They are not matching. If they are not matching, then this is not exact differential form. Now question comes, is it close to exact differential form? Can we do some modifications and then we can change it to exact, or it is completely different format? So currently I am saying it is close. So by doing some basic changes, we can reduce this question to exact form. So that is reducible form. So this question is actually one of the reducible forms questions. But if we multiply any function that is a special number, a special function, both side of the given equation, then equation will become exact differential equation. But how will you know which function to multiply? Okay, like in this case 1 by xy is the function which you multiply left side throughout and right side into 0. Nothing will change, both will be balanced, but this equation will become exact. But how? But how will you know what is the function? Like how did I say 1 by xy? Okay, so suppose I'm saying this xy is here at the denominator, I'm multiplying, then your equation will convert to this. And now if you check, your m value is 3 by x, n value is 2 by y, and now if you differentiate, answer is 0 0, so it is matching, so it became exact differential equation. And once the equation is exact differential equation, then you know what to do. First term you integrate by keeping y constant, second term you integrate by ignoring x term, right? And that will be your general solution. Now for other questions of this particular topic of equation reducible to exact form, so how will you know that what is going to be that answer? So that answer we say as integrating factor. It means what? In this question, this 1 by xy is the integrating factor, and this integrating factor we multiplied in this term also, in this term also, and 0 also, and then equation became exact. So how will you know? So there is no special way, but by inspection, and you can do it, and this is actually very easy. So there are 4 cases, 2 we will see in this video, okay, and remaining 2 will be seen in another lecture. So 2 cases first we'll discuss. So out of 2, all the 4 are easy. Out of 2, the first one I'm taking as, if your question has this kind of format, m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, okay, in that case your integrating factor will become 1 by mx plus ny, but you have a condition here. For the first case you have a condition. What is the condition? All terms present in m and n should be homogeneous. And you know how to check homogeneity? You can check, right? Power should be same for all the terms. So you will be getting your integrating factor by this formula, 1 by m into x. What is m? All the coefficient of dx is your m, all the coefficient of dy is your n. So multiply x into m and multiply y into n, and 1 by this answer became your integrating factor. This is very easy to find out integrating factor. And once you got the integrating factor, then you multiply integrating factor in the equation throughout left and right side, and then that equation will become exact differential equation, and then you can integrate. So see, 3x y square minus y cube dx, x y square minus 2x square y dy. Okay, so m is this, n is this, m is this, n is this. Also, if you check, all the powers are 3 3 3 3, check all the powers, they will come 3, so it is homogeneous also. In that case, integrating factor has direct formula, 1 by m into x plus n into y. So 1 by m into x, m into y, and when you solve this, 1 by x square plus y square will come. Then throughout the equation you do this, 1 by x square plus y square, you multiply 1 by x square plus y square, 1 by x square plus y square, and 1 by x square plus y square. Okay, and then after some mathematical equation you will lead here. After that, you know, this became automatically, you know that why did we multiply integrating factor? To make this exact. So now no need to check this m and this n and this equation is exact or not. We know, that's why we have multiplied integrating factor, that your equation, your question will become exact differential equation question. So no need to cross check again. And once you are sure, and then after, do what will you do? Consider y term constant and integrate this, and consider ignore x term and you integrate this, and then you'll be getting this as a step, and then you'll be getting this as a step. I'll read this, 3 log x plus y by x minus 2 log y is equal to constant. Then you take 3 here, you take minus 2 here, or you can say 2 also there, and this y by x you can send this side. And remember, when you are converting your equation into log, always you convert this constant also in log. Okay, here I'm using the constant c, but when you'll write log, then you don't write c, you write c dash, some other constant, because log c dash can give you value c, but log c cannot give you value c. Okay, and then log x cube minus log y square plus y by x plus log c dash, and then you rearrange terms, and this is, now where will you stop your solution depends what kind of option you see in GATE exam. Then second type also we'll cover here. In second type, there is no condition that all the terms are going to be homogeneous. Like in previous question, it was homogeneous, right? Suppose I give you equation which is exactly similar to this, okay, and also terms are not homogeneous, but whatever m you see here as the coefficient, suppose that m is the function of x and y, can you take y common out of that? Okay, whatever value is given, from that can you take y common? Okay, if you are taking y common, very good, then we'll go ahead. Then in case of n, which is the coefficient of dy, whatever value is given as a function of xy, can you take x common out of that? So when you take y common, fxy will become f1xy and gxy will become g1xy. I mean, function will change, of course, if you take x and y common, right? And if you are able to do this, then your integrating factor will be with minus sign. Earlier it was with plus sign. Mx minus ny will be your new integrating factor. So let's see the question. In this question, if you check power here 5, if you check power here 3, it is not at all homogeneous. But one more beautiful thing I see, y, I can take y common. So after taking y common, yes, m I got this. Here you check x x x, so I can take x common, so here also you check, right? It means what, whatever m was there as the bigger function, now the same m I am writing by taking y common and some other function in terms of x and y. Similarly I'm doing with n. So I know if this is the situation, then integrating factor formula will be this 1 by mx minus ny. Then m value is this, multiply x, put minus sign because in the formula. Then you already have taken n value x common, so substitute from here to here and multiply y because in the formula y is multiplied. So this entire thing became your new integrating factor. Solve this, all the terms will get cancelled, only x square y square term will be remaining. Okay, now multiply integrating factor in the given question. So 1 by x square y square you multiplied, so here it came, here it came. Then solve further, you'll be getting y 5 by x and 2 by x square y, and here 4 by y. So here you have to integrate only by keeping y constant. Here x term I have ignored because I kept integration sign, that's why in the second term I ignored all the x terms. And 0 I wrote as constant c now because I'm saying that I'm doing integration now. Okay, and then this will come. And further also you can do some steps, depends what kind of option is given in GATE exam, right? So two cases we dealt. In case 1, it is mandatory if all the terms are homogeneous, then 1 by mx plus ny will be your direct integrating factor. And in second one, no need to bother about power. If you check, you can take x or y common or not, right? Then we'll go for lecture 17 in next video. So two more related cases and examples we'll see there.